My dear, brain, and make the class very interesting and fine. Okay, let us welcome to the class. Today we will discuss the past perfect progressive. Already I have told you what is past perfect progressive. Past perfect progressive. In present you have learnt, and it is the turn of the past. So no need to say more, because you know the structure. Structure is subject, have verb. Earlier we have discussed. As we are discussing about the present, so here the have verb was has or have. As we are discussing it is past, so have verb will be had only. You know, in present past progressive already I have told you. Okay, then you have to use been. But my dear students, please remember, you were using been in passive form, perfect progressive, only in progressive. But here you remember, don't get confused. Here been is required, but here main verb ing form. In present you have learned, past you are going to learn. In there is no problem. So then object and complement. And again, if you go to the previous video, that means present perfect progressive, same formula was there. Same formula. That means number one, past action was in progress. Past action was in progress, please remember, and another event happened. If this happens, then progress work will be what? Perfect progressive. Clear? Example, they had been driving for 2 hours. Two things are happening here. They had been driving the cars 2 hours. It is one thing is happening. And when the car broke down, that means while they were driving, the car broke down. At a time, two things happened. When two things happened, what was continuing? That will be past perfect progressive. That means which was continuing? Now they had been driving. They subject had have verb of the past perfect progressive, then been added, then main verb ing. That means structure is subject, have verb. That means as we are discussing about the past, so had, then been, main verb ing form. Okay, clear? Then another thing, it was also discussed in present perfect progressive, frequently repeated. If it is repeated frequently, then it will be take the place of past perfect progressive. Okay, what is that? The teacher was angry because she had not been doing her homework. If you are not doing your homework, then your teacher will get angry. So here what happened, the teacher was repeatedly, frequently repeatedly, not once, not twice, for a week, for a month, like that. That means she is subject, had is have verb, and it is negative sentence not, then been is there, then main verb ing, do plus ing, doing homework. Clear? Number third point is, it was also in there, drawing conclusion point when you are coming. That means my friend looked tired. In the past, my friend looked tired. Why? Now he had been working late at night. He had been working. He is subject, had is have verb, been is added, then main verb ing. That means especially if I say, then you know the structure, subject plus have verb plus been plus main verb ing plus object or complement. It is the structure of the past perfect or present perfect. But as we are discussing the past perfect, we have to use had, and if we discuss present, already it was told that has or have. Clear? These are the sentences. And one thing, you know, all these sentences are, they had been driving. Number one. Number two, she had not been doing, or she had been doing, or he had been working. These three sentences are declarative sentences. Okay, we have to do what? We have to make it negative, then we have to make it interrogative, then we have to make it a WH word. And my dear students, please remember, past perfect progressive have no progressive has no what? You can say no passive form. Okay, please remember, no passive form. Clear? So suppose they had been driving. It is declarative. We will make it negative. Where we will do? He had not. Here they have not been. They had not been driving for 2 hours. Clear? It is negative. It may be yes, it is negative. Clear? Then make it interrogative. Same formula I have told you. You take the half verb in the beginning. Had they been driving for 2 hours. Sorry, 2 hours. Question mark, interrogative. It is yes or no? Yes or no? Yes? Yes or no it will be? Okay. Then come to WH word. WH word. That means who. If you take who, then answer will be there. Who had been driving for 2 hours. Answer will be they had been. Clear? Like that, here also she had been doing her homework. Negative, she had not been doing her homework. Interrogative, had she been doing her homework? Question mark. Clear? Then come to WH, who had been doing her homework, or what had she been doing? Clear? It is clear? No problem. Here also another sentence is there. He had been working late at night. It is a declarative sentence. You make it negative. He had been working late at night is a declarative. Make it negative. He had not been working late at night. Make it interrogative. Had will come first. Had he been working late at night? Then WH word question. That means WH word question. Here you are facing the problem. You take the WH word. Suppose who. Who means answer will come he. Who had been working late at night? Clear? Okay. Suppose you are questioning a question. When. That means if you are asking a question by using when, then answer will be this. When had he been working? When had he been working? Question mark. That means in this way. That means you know that from present tense all the forms have been completed, and past tense all the forms are going to be completed. It is completed already. And again remember, we will come to the next video future time. If you like it, then share a lot and subscribe it. Thank you. May God bless you. Do good, be good, take healthy food.